In this exercise, we will learn about the adjustment layer. Here, we are able to change colors, brightness, and we can make images black and white. The main benefit of using the adjustment layer is that it has its own layers. This means that if we change the color of any subject, the subject image will remain safe. We can change the color of a subject at any time, and if we don't want to change it, we can keep it as it is in the original layer. Okay, let's see how this will work. In the layer panel here, we can see the adjustment layer panel. If I click on it, we can see a list of different options. We can also see the adjustment layer has icons. Let's go to the window menu here. We can click on the adjustment layer, and we can see all the options are available as icons. We can see a list of all the adjustment layers. Okay, let's see all the options one by one. First, we have solid color options. If I click on it here, we can see any color. Also, we can see RGB color value, CMYK, HSB, LBA, and color codes. And now click OK. We can see we have selected that color. And we can see that it has its own layer. Then we can hide it at any time by clicking on the eye icon. And here we also have the layers mask. We can hide or reveal any part of a color with the paintbrush tool. Okay, if I click on mask and select the brush tool, the foreground color is black. Now paint on it, something like that. We can see now the white mask color is revealed and the black is the hidden color. We can also press the X key to change the foreground color to white. And we can also inverse the mask by pressing Ctrl and I. And now the mask is inversed and we can paint on it. Something like this. Also, we can lower the opacity and make a really nice color effect. And we can also apply different blending options from here. All right, in the next exercise, we will learn the gradient option.